This is Frenchtown Borough Mayor Brad Meyer. I know that we are in a time of great uncertainty and fear. However, I want you to take a level of comfort in knowing that Borough Council and I have a plan, and we are in regular contact with county, state, and federal partners. We pledge to keep you updated and are always available for questions. On behalf of the entire Borough Council, I want to take this opportunity to update you about the borough's ongoing response and our proactive decision-making related to the COVID-19 public health emergency. On Wednesday, March 18th, in consultation with the Office of Emergency Management Director Karen Harmon, I signed a local declaration of emergency for the Borough of Frenchtown. By taking this action, our local Office of Emergency Management and I, on behalf of the Borough Council, will be able to more quickly respond to ongoing challenges associated with the COVID-19 pandemic. As of this evening, we have updated Frenchtown's emergency declaration to include new guidelines that were issued earlier today by Governor Murphy in Executive Order Number 107. Among these new restrictions included in Executive Order Number 107 is the closure of non-essential retail businesses until further notice. In addition, all social gatherings are prohibited until further notice. These new regulations take effect at 9 p.m. this evening. The full copy of Executive Order Number 107 will be posted on the Borough website and be available on social media. Prior to this order, the Borough proactively closed the Frenchtown Library, limited public walk-ins to Borough Hall, adjusted staff schedules to ensure ongoing social distancing, canceled the annual Easter egg hunt, and expanded police coverage hours. All of these actions taken together are aimed at ensuring the continuity of government and public safety through this public health emergency. In addition to these actions, we have designated a new prescription pickup zone in our downtown in consultation with the Frenchtown Pharmacy. The new pickup zone will limit in-person visits to the pharmacy, which will help to ensure that pharmacy patrons and our local pharmacy staff stay healthy and can deliver critical medicines to our community. I want you to know that as your mayor, I, along with the entire Borough Council, Frenchtown Police Department, Frenchtown Fire Department, Borough staff, and OEM are committed to doing everything possible to help protect our community through this unprecedented time in our history. The ongoing closures are aimed at reducing the overall number of people that may become ill from COVID-19. Additionally, effective 9 p.m. tonight, March 21st, the Frenchtown Borough Park playground equipment and also playground equipment at Frenchtown School will be closed to public use. The paved walking path around the park will remain open for individuals and children that may be riding their bikes or walking, but doing so in accordance with social distancing standards. While we recognize this may seem as an inconvenience by some, we believe it is necessary and proactive to protect public safety, especially with our children. While many areas of life have been disrupted, these social distancing protocols are designed to ensure that ongoing operations of medical facilities and essential programs that protect the most vulnerable among us. Earlier today, I participated on a conference call concerning COVID-19 with the Governor's Office. Additionally, the Council Administration Committee, comprised of Council President Liebtag, Council Member and Parks Commissioner Ferree, and I all participated in a senator's call with Senators Booker and Menendez to ensure that our community has the latest information. Your ongoing patience, cooperation, and implementation of these new restrictions is very much appreciated. I know that these shutdowns and restrictions have come at a significant cost to many, especially our small businesses. The Frenchtown Borough Council will continue to gather information for dislocated workers and small businesses from state and federal legislators and we will continue to make those available on our website and also social media. In addition, to the extent possible, we will work with our legislators to call for virtual local workshops and online resources to educate our small business owners about expected federal relief measures that are currently underway. Over the next week, the Frenchtown Office of Emergency Management will also be sending out a mailer with additional information and guidance to our residents. Included with this mailer will be a questionnaire that is targeted to the most vulnerable of our residents. We ask that if you are on a breathing machine requiring ongoing power or have some other special medical need, that you make OEM aware. This will enable the borough to procure necessary resources if needed. I would also like to strongly encourage our residents to be wary of false information during this public health emergency. You may have heard about pending martial law or National Guard patrolling our streets on the internet. I can tell you that this is false. Rather, New Jersey's National Guard was activated nearly a week ago. And when the Guard is activated, it is for a specific and targeted purpose. In New Jersey's case, the Guard has been activated to help patrol and control testing sites that have been set up around the state, starting in Paramus and Holmdel. In addition, I can share with you that to the borough's knowledge, there are no pending bridge closures of the Frenchtown Borough Bridge or any of the bridges along the Delaware River. Americans, and especially Frenchtonians, have always risen to the challenges of our times, and I have no doubt that we will do the same in this public health emergency. Frenchtown is full of caring residents, and we've always looked out for one another through floods, fires, and blizzards. I am heartened by the countless stories I've heard of neighbors grocery shopping for neighbors with chronic health conditions, restaurants preparing meals for elders and families struggling to stay afloat, the development of online arts activities, social distancing workshops, and countless messages of emotional support on social media, text messaging, and phone calls. While this is a unique time, I am 100% confident in the kindness, goodness, and generosity of the people of Frenchtown. We will get through this together. Should you have any additional questions, please feel free to call Borough Hall at area code 908-996-4524, or feel free to reach out to me directly. My personal cell phone is 908-399-1351. Thank you very much.